Mr. Roque, Mr. Chair, I'm just curious kasi medyo mainit talaga ng Pogo. And it seems your name always crops up. Una yung kay Cassandra Leong. Your name was involved. Then itong pangalawa, itong sa raid ng bahay mo, your name again is involved. So, hindi po natin maalis sa madlang publiko at dito sa komitiba that you might be involved in these illegal activities. Now, kilala niyo po ba itong dalawang tao na nahuli ng PAOK?
Hindi ko po kakilala itong dalawang tao.
So, former Secretary Roque, you admit that you have an interest in this house by virtue of the corporation owning this house.
Yes po. Ang may registered owner po nito is Page 2, Lot 37, Pinewood Holdings Incorporated.
Sino po, Mr. Roque, ang pumirma dun sa lease, contract of lease?
Ang pumirma po ay ang aking may bahay na si Myla Roque.
So you are aware of this contract of lease?
I'm aware of this contract of lease with this woman po. At ako nga po ang nagsabi na...
But you have never met this person?
I've met her po.
So...
I met her.
Kasi kanina po, Mr. Roque, when I asked you, sabi niyo po, hindi niyo kilala. But
hindi
now
po, yung
that
lalaki
you're,
po. Yung
but now you're
Cambodian.
telling this committee na na-meet mo pala yung
Lessie po.
Yung Lessie.
Yung Lessie po, na-meet ko. In fact, hindi ko lang po na-meet. May isang beses pa na nag-lunch kami sa Los Angeles. So ngayon po, nagtataka ako kung ano talaga ang relasyon nila doon sa lalaki na nahanap sa aking bahay. At nung nahanap nga po yung lalaki sa aking bahay, hinanap ko. Sabi ko, sino yan? Well, yun nga po, lumalabas na yung Cambodian pala ay isang partner niya.
So prior to the signing of the lease contract, you never knew this person?
Yung lalaki po. Pero yung babae, kilala ko na rin.
Matagal na mukhang kilala to.
Kakilala ko na rin po yung babae.
So it has been established, Mr. Chair, as per, of course, the admission of Mr. Roque, that he truly owns the house, no? Kasi hindi ka naman magpapalis. You're the one who signed the contract of lease.
Well, we have an interest in the corporation po. Yung wife ko po,
but
hindi ko po tinatanggi naman yan, no?
You already admitted earlier that by virtue of your owning the corporation which owned the house, so literally, kayo po may-ari nun. But Mr. Harry Roque accompanied Miss Cassandra Leong to PAGCOR to assist her in the renewal of their license. Totoo po ba yun, Mr. Harry Roque?
Mr. Chair, hindi po.
Ang tinanong ko sa inyo, totoo ba na nagsama kayo?
Totoo po,
yun
sinamahan ko po.
Yun po ang tanong ko.
Opo, pero...
Now, ang sinasabi nyo, you are denying na hindi dahil dun sa renewal ng license, dun sa bayad. But still, it's still the same issue dahil you cannot renew your license until such time that the $500,000 will be paid. So, ganun din po ang objective nun. Kaya sinamahan nyo siya para matulungan na mabayaran yung $500,000, but the ultimate objective is for the renewal of the license. Hindi po ba?
Now, as you said, Cassandra Leong replaced Dennis Cunanan as the agent of Lucky South 99. And you are the counsel for the representative of Lucky South 99. Yun lang po. I'm not saying na directly to Lucky South 99, but of the agent of Lucky South 99.
I was representing Cassie Ong of Whirlwind. That is correct po. And I confirm that.
Secretary Roque.
Being a professed Christian, so do you believe that gambling should be in the Philippines?
I have always been against gambling po.
With all due respect, kayo po ba ay abogado ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po. Wala po akong attorney-client relationship sa kahit sino na shareholder or officer ng Lucky Star.
I understand, Mr. Chair, that the statement of Attorney Roque never consulted by Lucky South 99, but he has been repeating a while ago that Cassandra Leong is the representative of Lucky South 99.